Mamata Banerjee, and she's also 3 times MP of Barashat. She is Kakoli Ghosh Dostidar, who is contesting in Barashat for the 4th time, a very prominent woman face of Trinamool Congress and also in Parliament. We have with us in the campaign, Meet Your Neta today, Kakoli Di. Kakoli Di, welcome to CNN News 18. You are very busy in the campaign. What do you think that 4th time, what are you going to tell people and why people will again vote you?
The people have evidenced the amount of development that I brought about in the Lok Sabha constituency through the MPLAD scheme, through my personal effort from other schemes, and through the efforts of my leader Mamata Banerjee. That is why people love me so much, and in this constituency, people are always by my side.
Kakoli Di, there was a time when you were always with Mamata Didi, and when she went to Shingur, the Tata movement, you came up with all, the black colors, putting, all sorts of movement that Mamata Banerjee is known for. You are one of the witness and one of the important participant. Today you are running the government here for the last year. What changes you see and how do you remember those days?
Well, I would think that you also see the changes as I do, as the people do. And those days, Mamata Banerjee was fighting for the rights of the poor people of the state. The state was in a dilapidated condition. There were no tarred roads anywhere. There was no electricity. Load shedding was taking place every day at all odd hours of day. Students were finding it difficult to study. The hospitals did not function well. There was no treatment facility available. Maternal mortality was very high. There was no food, there was no job, and the state government, the then state government, was not bothered that nearly 56,000 factories were shut down and people were being killed day in and day out. From that mayhem, arson, loot and unemployment, you can see the difference where there is not a single untarred road in the state now. Drinking water has reached every household. Electricity is actually being produced in excess of requirement, so there is no load shedding. The hospitals that Mamata Banerjee has now developed and upgraded to super speciality level is giving excellent facility for the treatment of all kinds of patients. Mother and child hub has been made everywhere so that the pregnant women find it easy to deliver babies, and institutional delivery has increased so that infant and maternal mortality rate has decreased. So in every respect the state is surging ahead, and the production of the farmers has increased because Mamata Banerjee is giving them free electricity, and also the mutation fees of the land in which production is taking place is being paid by the government. So the government is by the people in West Bengal, and the people are by the government of West Bengal and Trinamool Congress.
Didi, having said that, Barashat is a place where there is a considerable existence of Motua vote. The CA has been implemented. Do you think that this is going to be a little bit against for you in Barasat constituency?
The Motuas hate it when CA is being implemented, and the Motua minister, a person of the Thakurbari, says that we are going to give out the citizenship and we will not give it to people who follow Trinamool Congress. This is a hateful thing to say, because people of West Bengal are already citizens, and the Motuas are already very much citizens of India. They cast their vote, they have their voter ID cards, they have their other ID cards, they have their ration cards, they get free ration from Mamata Banerjee, and the Motuas are very much part of the mainstream citizens of West Bengal, and we respect them, we respect their movement. Motua is a movement, but yesterday, shamefully, the minister, who is himself a Motua, desegregated Binapani mother's room, and his own auntie, who is a Rajya Sabha member of Trinamool Congress, Mamata Bala Thakur, was manhandled. So we actually denounce that kind of behavior. We are with the Motuas and the Motuas are with us.
This that whether if they apply they'll be foreigners, when it is said by Mamata Banerjee, Amit Shah and others say that you all are misguiding the Matuas.
I would request you to go through that whole bill, because it has been passed. So it's an act. It was meant for minorities living in countries like Pakistan, Balochistan, Afghanistan, who are Hindus and minorities there. It was not meant to be used as a ploy to scare the Bengali people of Assam and Bengal. The Bengalis are being put into a scare by the Bharatiya Janata Party to trap them into signing these forms. They should not sign their forms, as they are already citizens of this country.
Do you think the increase of amount in Lokhi Bhandar, that is really going to, because in 2021, really the women vote were for Trinamool Congress. This time, do you think that's going to also affect the ballot box?
See, whatever scheme Mamata Banerjee is taking is for the upliftment of the women. If we name Raja Ram Mohan Roy for doing away with widow being burnt on the pyre, if we think of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar for doing away with the condition of the widow and passing the law or the convention of getting a widow remarried or educating women, we should also think of Mamata Banerjee, who has educated nearly 87 lakhs of girl child through the Kanyashri. We have not spent money in advertising. Mamata Banerjee has not spent money on advertising this, putting her own picture, like the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. But she's actually used the money to educate the girl child. And the truth is that today, every year, the number of students who pass Madhyamik, girl children, are many more than the boys. So girls are getting educated more. Through Rupasri, they are getting settled more. Through Shastro-Shati, they are getting more respect because their picture is there. And through Lokhir Bhandar, they are getting economic empowerment. So women are with us.
But at the same time, there's incident like Sandesh Khali, which is in the same district where you are. The CBI entire investigation has now gone to CBI. Women have come out and cried. Do you think that that should not have happened?
The woman who came out and cried has become the Bharatiya Janata Party candidate for the election. That proves what a fake thing it was, and she was made to do that activity and would be fielded for the election. So it was a ploy of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Things are not like you have seen on the screen. Half the things are untrue.
But you say about the land grabbing and other things, those are also untrue.
No, that is being looked into. And some land has already been returned by the administration. And the different officials sat there taking in complaints. So whatever has happened which is illegal is being undone by the government machinery.
Another question comes up, like, you are one of the very important leaders of Trinamool Congress also. You have your own constituency, but you'll also be campaigning for others. What is your number you give it to Trinamool Congress for this election? Out of 42, Amit Shah is saying they are going to get 35.
It will be more than 32 for Trinamool Congress. So we can get like 33, 34.
Sure on that.
Yes, we will get nearly 34.
So she is very confident that Trinamool Congress is going to cross 30 and definitely BJP will not make that mark. And here she is making the campaign that whatever BJP is saying on Matua, on CA is not right, and that's what her campaign mode is. This is Komalika Sengupta with Anshuman Roy reporting for CNN News 18 from Barashat.